Welcome to Learn with Dads. Let's learn together. In this Embedded C interview question series, our question is what is structure pointer? So, if you know the answer of what do you mean by structure pointer, please comment it into the comment box. Now, let's dive deep into the answer. Now, answer is structure pointer means it's a pointer to a structure. We have structure with us, and to access the member of structure we have two options. First will be by using dot operator that we already know, and second will be by using arrow operator. If you want to use arrow operator, then we need to use structure pointer. That is the requirement. Now let's see the coding of it. This is the simple code. Here I have defined struct test, and the members are int a b c. Okay, this is the main function. In main function I have defined a structure variable as s1, and here I have defining structure pointer. So it's like a similar one, like a normal integer pointer what we do, int asterisk ptr. In similar way, here we know this is the struct test, and instead of defining variable I have added just asterisk s2 equals to this structure equals to address of s1. So s1 is a variable of struct, and these are the member of s1. Okay, but this pointer should point to structure. So that's why for this asterisk s2 pointer, that is structure pointer, I am assigning address of s1, means this s1 structure variable. So in this way we have assigned. Now we have already aware and have a knowledge that by using dot operator we can assign values to the member of this struct variable s1. So s1 dot a 10, s1 dot b 20. So this value I have assigned, and I want to print that value. So just normal printf function I have used, and I have write s1 dot a, s1 dot b, s1 dot c. So this is by using dot operator. But if I want to access this value with the help of structure pointer, then we will use this arrow operator, dash and this greater symbol. So similar value I will be printing with the help of structure pointer. So s2 arrow a, s2 arrow b, s2 arrow c means same value a, b, c I can access with the help of structure pointer and arrow operator. Now let's run the code. So here we'll see accessing member using dot operator and accessing using arrow operator. But you got the idea. Now in similar way, if I want to assign new value to it, so I can assign to that also, like using arrow operator. Now instead of 10 I want to use 20 to it, then again s2. Okay, then s2 arrow. So we can change the value of the variables also, and we can read the value of variable also with the help of structure pointer. But priority thing will be you must assign structure type pointer, and we must assign some address of structure, then and then it will work, otherwise it will not work. So this will be prioritized thing. You must have to utilize structure pointer only to gain the access. Now let's run the code again. New values will be 100, 820, 330 using dot operator also and using arrow operator. So structure pointer will be used to read the value as well as write the value. So structure pointer mainly used when we want to pass structure to some function, because passing value of structure to any function will be a not good idea of programming. So instead of passing whole structure to function, we just pass structure pointer to the function. So coding will be easier and memory consumption will be less. So in this way, structure pointer will be useful. So thanks for watching the video. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe our channel, click the bell icon and to get the new updated videos from our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day ahead.